Oke, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, guys. So in here, I will tell something about my essay, my written test. So before that, I will introduce myself. So my name is Ardi Lukman Hakim. I'm from 12 Batuta, number 4. Okay, let's start my essay. So, my name is Ardi Lukman Hakim. I was born in Bojonegoro on July 14, 2007. I'm currently pursuing my senior high education as a grade 12 of SMA Unggulan Siti Arsa Foundation Sukoharjo. I'm come from a lower middle class or underprivileged family. So I'm the second of the children, and my father is an entrepreneur and my mother is a housewife. The background of my family makes me to do something big, something different, something big, to be able to change the fate of the family. That is my big motivation. Maybe yes, that's my big motivation to continue my education to a higher level. Because I think if just graduating from a high school, I think it's not enough to compete with other people out there. I have a strong intention to continue my education to a higher level. When I'm graduate from my high school, I want to continue my education maybe at Gadjah Mada University. Maybe I think, in my opinion, I think at Gadjah Mada University for now, yes. And the biggest reason why I want to continue my studies at Gadjah Mada University, because it's not too far from my house. Kan in Gadjah Mada University, the place in Yogyakarta, maybe, and I think is not too far from my house in Bojonegoro. And my parents, so most likely my parents will allow me of study there. And then secondly, the cost of living there is still within the limits that might be classified cheap, because surely the cost of living will be a very big consideration for student, right? Who will continue their studies. Living cost is a big thing to uh, very big consideration to think, because it's very important, I think. And the last but not least, Gadjah Mada University is a university that is accordance with the word of lecture that I want to take. So I want to take maybe a engineering faculty, and the engineering faculty is certainly one of the superior of several other faculties. So by the way, about faculties engineering, for me, for now, I'm still convinced and want to continue my studies in engineering. I don't know why, but I like engineering, maybe because my class is be able to go to tech engineering. And although I'm still very confused about what technique to choose, but for now I have several choice, such as maybe regional and city planning, engineering, or in Indonesia called BWK, I think BWK. So, and then I think I to and then also I think uh, I want to take material engineering or maybe and then mining engineering. So I'm confused. Um, and several more maybe that I'm still studying for the future. I want to take which one because choosing a major is not an easy things. I think not easy things. Therefore, it takes time to choose it. For my own reason for choosing some of this engineering major. I chose urban and regional planning engineering or PWK because I like things related to design or designing something maybe. I like detailed thing. I'm also quite a perfectionist. So that's what makes me have an interest in major. Then for material engineering, I'm interested because it has a very good job prospect in the future. Maybe of course in the future because the more advanced it is, it will definitely makes new and better material breakdowns. But all these major are still uh, very possible to change. But for the time being, that's the major I have in my mind. So for now, that's in my mind. PWK maybe. So some of my choice, of course, require money, either to living expense or tuition fees. It will be need money, of course. So going back to the beginning, that I come from an underprivileged or lower middle class family. So where the cost is not on small things and cannot be considered a small problem. So this about living, about money, living cost, money, and uh, etc. These are big things to things because it's not a small problem. Not yes, that's in important things for me. Of course, I have to think about it too. Therefore, I am determined to pursue further studies by looking for scholarship that can support my needs, both daily needs and tuition fees. I already have several options for plans that can help me meet my economic needs, such as the maybe KIP kuliah scholarship and Perintis scholarship and Bakti Indonesia scholarship and SJ scholarship and then more etc. So I'm determined to get a Perintis scholarship that I want to use to help my financial needs during college later. Why I'm choose Perintis scholarship? Because Perintis scholarship are scholarship that provide tuition facilities during college, but not only that, not only give tuition fees for college, but Perintis scholarship also provide free learning camp programs that will help recipient to pass the college selection test. So there's a learning camp from our if needs some maybe additional time to uh, for SNPT. So to be able to get the scholarship, of course, there is a requirement. So there are conditions that must be made and also go through several selection stake first. Some of the requirements that I must fulfill to get scholarship are that I'm a grade 12 student, and then I must also have a certificate of incapacity or can be replaced, yes, can be replaced with a smart Indonesian card, and then the also certainly have a strong intention, of course, and determination to want to continue education to a higher level or college. That's a important thing. So then, why should I get or be accepted by the scholarship? Why I must get that scholarship? Because yes, of course, the scholarship is a very beneficial for me. That's a good uh, that's a good scholarship for me because I get tuition fees as well as living expense and coupled with a learning camp program that will really help me later when I'm studying for the college entrance selection test. So learning camp I think is a important thing. I can uh, I can uh, join SNBT maybe more easier. Yes. So by getting the scholarship, it will definitely improve some of the abilities that will support me in the world of lecture. And this is one of the great assets for me to be able to develop further and achieve my dreams, of course. uh, Prentice scholarship will uh, help me fulfill very help me for me get my dream my yes my dream. So after I'm graduating from high school, after I'm get a university, after I get a scholarship. So after all I get all that, of course I'm also have to be useful person for other. So after I graduate, I want to work in a government maybe, and I want to participate in building the country. Maybe I will join. I want to enter the Ministry of Public Works and Public Housing, or in Indonesia can call Kementerian PUPR, or maybe I will join Bapenas. For this instruction for my brother. PWK is good, and you will continue in Bapenas, and yeah, I still searching. I'm still learning about that. Yeah, in at Bapenas. And later I want to contribute to building an advanced Indonesia. So I want join to building Indonesia to be a good country. Maybe like right now there is a name IKN. So maybe if I have done my university later, I will building Indonesia, like make a new city and new, yes, good city, good and everything. So I want like Mr. Nyoman, they make Garuda GWK in Bali, and desain uh, istana presiden in IKN. And I want to like Mr. Basuki, menteri PUPR in Indonesia. That's good people and funny people, but contribute to building advance Indonesia is I think it's my dream, the one of my dream. Of course, because I want to useful person for other. Yes, maybe that's all for me. I wish I can I can do all that I want to do. So for myself in the future, this is your in beginning from your what is perjalanan. Yes, that's so so okay, I think it's enough. I'm sorry if I have a mistake, maybe very much, maybe. I'm sorry if I have mistake. Enough. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dah.